Hello and welcome to Nick's Calligraphy, and today I'll show you how you can use brush pens for your glass pen calligraphy. You can just use the tip of it in a simple glass container. Just rub it and a lot of ink will come out. Make sure that you use adequate amount of this brush. Once this is done, you can simply use a paintbrush and a little bit of water. Add some more. Once this is done, you can simply use your glass pen with the help of just mix it well and apply it on the surface of the glass pen tip. Use adequate amount.